my dear student. I am Neera. You are watching my channel ILC classes. Today we are going to learn about the most important topic from social science of grade 4th, that is physical boundaries of India. Under this topic we are going to learn about two main things, that is physical division of India and another is few facts about our country. Let's begin. As you all know, there are 7 continents in the world and Asia is one of them. India is located in Asia. Now, two main facts about our country. India is the 7th largest country with respect to area and the 2nd largest country with respect to population after China. This means India is the 2nd most populated country after China. Now, let's come to the definition related to this topic. Now, first definition is plain. What is a plain? A flat land is called a plain. Means the area of Punjab, Haryana, these type of states are contains plain. Next, plateaus. What is a plateau? A table-like structure having top-like hill, मतलब with steep sides. Means उसका जो top होगा वो hill की तरह होगा और side बहुत तीखी होंगी. That means steep sides. Next is what is a mainland? A major part of a country that doesn't include any island. कोई भी island include ना करे वो part हमारी country का is known as mainland. Now what is a peninsula? A piece of land almost surrounded by water bodies. It doesn't mean totally surrounded by water body. It means almost means काफी बड़ा हिस्सा पानी से घिरा हो. So this is called peninsula. Whereas an island is a piece of land that is totally surrounded by water bodies. एक हिस्सा धरती का जो चारों तरफ से पानी से घिरा हो. This is the basic difference between a peninsula and an island. Now, come to the physical divisions of India. Yes, before moving further, I want to discuss something about my channel. You can watch continuously for 5 days on YouTube for further videos, that is of social science and maths for class 4th, and I am going to explore many more videos for further more classes. But after these videos I am going to start my master course for especially for class 4th and 5th. If someone want to join me and if someone want to buy my master course, you can contact me on my contact details given in the description box with my contact number and email ID. Hope you will definitely support me. Now come to the main topic which is going on. Thank you. Now students, our India is basically divided into 5 physical divisions. And what are these divisions? First is northern mountains, second is northern and coastal plains, third is southern plateaus, fourth is western deserts, and fifth is the islands. As I have already told you about plains, plateaus and islands and peninsula. Now come to the first physical division. What is the northern mountains? Northern mountain contains the northern Himalayas. As you can see here, I have drawn a figure of contains 4 directions: north, south, east and west. I have shown with this arrow lines that there is a northern Himalayas which comes under northern mountains. The area contains stretches from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Remember that Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. This whole area forms the northern Himalayas. Now come to the map. As you can see the brown color here, this is the northern Himalayas, means Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. So this the color covers the brown color covers the northern Himalayas. Now come to the northern and coastal plains. First of all, I will want to tell you about northern plains. Northern plains is shown by green color. You can see here this dark green color. It is from Punjab to Assam. Northern plains covered the area stretches from Punjab to Assam. Now, what is coast? The coast is the seaside. Seaside is known as coast, and the plains near the seaside are called coastal plains. So you can see here the blue color, this whole blue color. As you know, the color of water is blue, so I have shown this area with the blue color. This coastal plains stretch from Gujarat to West Bengal. Next is southern plateaus. I have already told you about a plateau. Now, plateau is also known as tableland, and this is basically a dry area, but the sources of minerals are very high here. This yellow part, this whole of the yellow color part is covered, forms the southern plateau. It is also known as peninsular land or peninsular area because the most of the area of this land is covered by water bodies. Not whole of the area, most of the area is covered by water bodies. So it forms a peninsular area and is also known as southern plateau. Next is western desert. As you know, all know the meaning of a desert. Desert means रेगिस्तान, जहाँ बिल्कुल रेतीला इलाका होता है. Western desert. Western desert, this color shows the western desert. This part. 60% of the Rajasthan forms the desert area, and some part of Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab is also included in this western desert. Western desert is also known as, here you can see in this figure also, western desert is also known as Thar desert and the Great Indian Desert. So basically 4 states forms the Thar desert or western desert. Next is the islands. I have already told you about the islands. A piece of land surrounded by a piece of land totally surrounded by the water bodies is known as islands. In India, basically there are 2 islands. One is Lakshadweep under Arabian Sea, and next is Andaman Nicobar under Bay of Bengal. There are 3 water bodies of our country, major water bodies. I am not saying only 3. The major water bodies of our country is Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean on the southmost side and Bay of Bengal. So this area is known as peninsula because 3 sides are covered with the water bodies. Now come to the more facts of our country. Now let's come and learn about some facts about our India. I have written Red Cliff Line. This Red Cliff, what is a Red Cliff Line? The border line between Pakistan and our country is known as Red Cliff Line. You must all know about this fact. This is the most important fact of our country. Next is southmost tip of mainland, and third is southmost tip of country. In these 2 lines there is a basic difference. I want to tell you about this. What is the southmost tip of mainland? Southmost tip of mainland means the area above the coastline. The point just above the coastline is known as southmost tip of mainland, and southmost tip of mainland is Kanyakumari. Always remember that it is Kanyakumari. And the southmost tip of country is Indira Point. It lies here on the coastline of, in the southmost part of our country, southmost tip of our country. It is in the coastal point. It is a coastal point, Indira Point, but on southmost tip of mainland is a Kanyakumari. Now, if you like my channel, if you like my lecture, please give thumbs up to my channel and must subscribe it. And my further videos are going to be on from 12th April onwards. Must watch my videos. Thank you and have a nice day.